Crystal Serum and Crystal Serum Ultra, they were created to harness the skill set of our accredited detailer network globally. We're about 1,000 accredited detailers, and it's designed to offer the best performance from a swirl resistance point of view to the consumer. Crystal Serum Ultra is a composite ceramic coating. When it gets applied, it phase separates, so you have a slightly softer base 7H on pencil hardness scale layer that bonds to the paintwork. That actually becomes part of the paintwork, so you can't wash that off. And then you have a harder 10H layer, which is an aggregate of two different nanoparticles, and that's the difference between Serum and Serum Ultra. The 10H refers to a pencil hardness test. It's referencing the ISO 15184 test, which is the pencil hardness test. That's for measuring the hardness of different films. That test actually only goes up to 9H, but there is a 10H pencil, and we performed this test, and the product performed beyond the 9H. It performed fine with the 10H pencil. The feedback that we get from customers is just how easy it is to look after their cars, how long that car stays swirl-free. Ultra is only available through our network of G-Tech accredited detailers. We need to ensure that the person applying it to your vehicle has been trained by us, and also it's very important that the product gets applied in a climate-controlled environment. With Crystal Serum Ultra, you're getting the best level of protection for your paintwork, and we back it up with a 9-year guarantee.